purchased your tea and wondered, how much tea do I use to steep? What do I do? This is a question I get asked all the time. So let's say you brought home your tea. Whether it's black or white, you're gonna have the same instructions. It is gonna be a little bit different just because the sizing of the tea leaf is going to be different. Loose leaf tea, made easy with redzentea. All right, so as you can see here, the different size of tea leaves definitely matters. You're looking for 1 teaspoon or 1 scoop per 6 to 8 ounces of water. Now, most people don't know how much 6 to 8 ounces of water is. Best thing to do is to measure. So this is an average size regular cup that I got out of my cupboard, but basically this is 6 ounces. So if I wanted to make tea for this, I would do 1 teaspoon or 1 scoop per 6 ounces of water. Now, if I wanted to fill this all the way up, I'm going to be utilizing more tea leaves to make my tea. This is going to give it more flavor, more nutrients. If you have too much water, not enough tea leaves, it's going to dilute it and make it not taste very good. So you get out your tea. Let's first start with white tea. Even though it's 1 teaspoon per 6 to 8 ounces, you're gonna use a tad bit more with white tea just because the leaves are so big. So because the leaves are so big, I'm gonna reach in here, I'm gonna put in, okay? And I'm gonna put 2 because not only is this a bigger vessel than the 6 ounces that I showed you, because the leaves are big, it takes up more space, meaning that you need more tea leaves per gram. Because unless you are measuring your tea leaves, somewhere around 3 grams is a good amount for 6 to 8 ounces of water. If I were to measure these two, even though they look totally different, they're the same exact weight, 3 grams of tea for that amount. Easiest way to remember it is if you have big leaves, just utilize more tea leaves. I love this infuser because this infuser actually allows you to see it as it steeps. You don't have to fill it all the way up. So I put in 2 scoops. I'd probably fill my water to about 1/3 of the way in order to get that flavor profile that I was looking for. Now, if I wanted to fill it all the way up, I totally could. I would just have to add more tea leaves. And again, like I said, utilize that 1 to 6 ounce ratio, 1 scoop or 1 spoonful for 6 to 8 ounce glasses of water. I hope that helps, and I'll see you on the next one.